但係最攞命嘅唔係呢個乒乓球訓練，而係嚟自爸爸嘅窩心鼓勵。
He will come up to me and be like, Jimmy, you're going to play well, okay? Even though you're slow, even though you're weak, and you suck. And then he would just walk away.
Jimmy 之後話，如果唔係佢求生意志夠強，可能第一日就已經爆泄死咗啦。
我喺香港以前覺得自己打得幾勁啊嘛，到咗廣州，哇！大家都比我打得勁喎，呢個唔掂啊，自己唔掂啊，真係2日就喺廣州返香港啦。
而佢老豆嗰種黑心幽默嘅風格，唔止一次出現，為 Jimmy 提供咗一個獨有嘅成長氛圍。
I've never heard one word of affirmation in my life. Nobody ever told me, Jimmy, you're so great, you can do it.
喺 Jimmy 成長過程入邊，無論喺學校定屋企，都好似唔屬於任何一個圈，唔夠 local， 唔夠乖，唔夠叻，又唔夠靚仔。不過就係呢啲唔夠，令佢後來發現講自己嘅不足，其實係最引人共鳴、最好笑。屋企人對個仔咁高期望，所以喺佢13歲嘅時候，希望佢得到更好嘅教育，就成家人移民去咗美國。就喺 Jimmy 第一日返學嘅時候，見到啲同學做一個動作，竟然懷疑自己係咪入咗邪教。